My confirmed person, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time when this video till land your side. This is na Favors blog, and we bring you Open Heavens Daily Devotional in Pidgin English. For Tuesday, when be the 10th day of September 2024. Our topic today now, Rejecting Negative Prophecies, Part 2. Rejecting Negative Prophecies, Part 2. Our Bible reading they come from Joshua chapter 6 verse 26 and 2 Kings chapter 2 from 20 go reach 21. For that time, Joshua come swear say anybody wey say he wan build Jericho town again, God could condemn am. If first boy pikin go die as he start to build am, and the last boy pikin go die when he puts the gate. 2 Kings 2, 20-21. Then Elisha say, make una give me one bowl, come put salt for inside. After dem bring the bowl, Elisha come waka go where the water from the flow. Pour salt, come say, this na wetin God talk. I don make this water good. E no go ever cause death or pain again. So till today, the water dey good, just as Elisha talk. Our memory verse for today, it dey come from inside 2 Kings chapter 20 verse 5. 2 Kings 20 verse 5. Make we read them together. Make you go back go meet Hezekiah, wey dey rule my people, come tell am say, my God wey be your grandpapa David God, don hear your prayer and see as you dey cry. I go heal you, and after 3 days you go back to the temple. Make we enter the message for today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Yesterday I talked about how you go fit reject negative prophecies from false prophets. However, sometimes real prophet they prophesy something where you know they're comfortable with. God sometimes they tell us things just for our information, and for other times if they want make we do something about them. How then you go fit reverse negative prophecy if you receive them? Like Hezekiah for inside 2 Kings chapter 20 from verse 1 to 11. The first thing you fit do now to cry to God to reverse the prophecy. If he listen to you, he will send the same prophet back to tell you a new prophecy. Secondly, you go fit get prophet wey get higher anointing to cancel the negative prophecy. This na wetin the people of Jericho do for inside today Bible reading. Joshua placed curse for the land, but Elisha cancelled the curse wey Joshua make because he get double portion of the anointing. Some years ago, one man come tell me say he meet one prophet the time wey he dey for 44 years, wey tell her everything wey go happen to her for the next 40 years, and the prophet tell her say he go die at 84. He say everything wey the prophet tell her don come to pass, and if 84th birthday na 2 weeks away from the day when they follow me dey talk. I come ask am say, you wan serve God? He say yes. So I come tell her say, okay, no wahala, you go live. He still dey insist say everything wey that prophet tell am don come to pass. But as a higher prophet, I come reply say, as long as he dey willing to serve God, he go live until he don ready to kick bucket. Few years before his 100th birthday, he come call me say, abeg I come, he don ready to go. And few days before he turned 100 years, he passed away. Sometimes negative prophecy fit come to you directly from God, either for dream, trance, or even for voice when you dey hear. For such instance, wetin you go fit do? You go need to meet prophet wey dey closer to God than you and ask am to help you beg God to change am. Some years ago, one rich man wey just give his life to Christ, and it all dey help me well to fulfill God work, come dream say God tell us make he put his house in order because time for am to go don reach. He come meet me now and say, no, don't worry, I go discuss am with my daddy. That tell God say, papa, I still need this man for here. Abeg, don't take am yet. And God answer me, and the man leave. Wetin be our key point for today? Negative prophecies, even if na from genuine man of God, they fit reverse am. Make I talk am again. Negative prophecies, even if not true, now from genuine man of God, they feel reverse am. Now here we take on to the end of today's message. Don't forget, say the topic when we consider today, now how to reject negative prophecies, part 2. And this message now from the Open Heavens Daily Devotional, where be book where be say Pastor E.A. Adeboye, the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God worldwide, write, and that will for take the message. I mean, you don't forget say now top your darling channel Favors blog. Now you to receive today's dose of the message. I beg we want to thank all our subscribers. If you never subscribe, do well to like this video, share the video, and help us subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that anytime we will drop new video, you could be one of the first persons to know say better don't share it on top Favors blog. Until we go meet for our next video, make it better for you, my correct person.
Are you ready to take hold of your business? Do you yearn for a life of purpose and impact? Is the call to dominion burning within you? Then it is time to rise above. Join the International Youth Convention of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, tagged Dominion. Date is September 30th to October 4th, 2024. The venue is RCCG Redemption City, Kilometer 46, Lagos Ibadan Expressway, Ogun State, Nigeria. Ministering is Pastor E.A. Adeboye and other ministers of God. God has declared your dominion at this convention. Learn to embrace it. Register today and prepare to be empowered.